And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and as we look at Doppler radar, you can see a general line of rain that stretches from the Texas coast all the way into Ohio. That is the cold front. It has cleared our area, but guess what? It's not going to completely clear us in the afternoon. And that means that not only is it not going to clear us in the afternoon, it's not going to clear us over the next few days. This front is just going to be stalled out right in the Gulf, and that's where the bulk of the rain is going to be, like we're seeing right now. But there's still going to be some occasional drizzle, some occasional light showers, all the way through Thanksgiving, it looks like. In fact, right now, it doesn't look like we may see the sun until Friday afternoon. That is a possibility right now. We're not going to see the sun today. We're already dealing with some patchy drizzle early this morning. Not everyone will see it, but I do think the majority of us will see some of that very light drizzle mixed in with some light fog just during the morning hours. I think we get rid of the drizzle in the afternoon, but there's still going to be some lingering stray showers from time to time. Now, that said, I think a big chunk of the afternoon is going to be dry, but there is the possibility of catching a stray shower through the afternoon into the early evening hours. Best chance will be Cameron and Willacy County. Now, late tonight, it's going to be back to light fog and drizzle. Again, it probably won't show up in radar, just like it's not showing up on radar this morning, but I do think it's going to be around some of that misty stuff in the morning. In the afternoon, though, it's looking dry. That said, I still think it's going to be cloudy. There are some models that are indicating some partial clearing late tomorrow afternoon, mainly across the northern part of the valley, northern Willacy County, Hidalgo, and Starr County. If you see sun, you are going to be lucky tomorrow. I think what's more likely is what we're seeing across the southern half of the area, where we stay locked in with the clouds. It'll probably end up being just a touch warmer tomorrow, but not much. And though it's still going to be dry in the evening hours, I think once again we're going to be seeing that drizzle return late Tuesday night, and a little bit better chance of rain for Wednesday and, yes, for Thanksgiving Day. Check out our high temperatures. Remarkably cool for this time of year. Normal highs are in the upper 70s. Instead, we're going to be mainly in the upper 50s. I do think it could be a little bit warmer out along the coast because actually the Bay and Gulf waters are now warmer than the air temperatures, so that may keep temperatures up a little bit along the coast. It could be as cool as the mid-50s. It may just stay in the mid-50s in Starr County today. Overall, I'll put the rain chance during the day at about 30%. So I do think there are going to be some that miss out on the drizzle and showers, but they will be around. So you may want to keep that umbrella around just in case some of that drizzle or showers work over you. Still a 40% chance of rain tonight. Notice that we don't cool down all that much. Overnight lows are mainly going to be in the low 50s, mid-50s closer to the coast, and maybe as warm as 60 out of South Padre Island. So not much of a warm up or cool down. Let's talk about Thanksgiving, because I don't think our forecast is going to change very much. I think Thanksgiving Day, we're going to start out with some patchy drizzle, maybe some light fog. We'll only see highs reach the low 60s in the afternoon. Looks like another cloudy day. I don't think it's going to be particularly wet, not a washout of the day. I know we have the rain icon in there. I do think that a good chunk of the afternoon will probably be dry, but an occasional stray shower can't be ruled out, and still remarkably cool for this time of year. So when are we going to see the sun again? Well, not the next 3 days, not on Thanksgiving. I think if we're going to see the sun, as it stands right now, it looks like Friday afternoon. Once the sun does come out and our winds start to shift a little bit, then we'll finally warm up. But for the next 4 days, remarkably cool. But notice the overnight lows. We're not worried about freezing temperatures. We're not going to cool down very much either. So overnight lows are going to be in the low to mid 50s, which actually isn't that far from normal. I do think we'll actually make it back into the 80s. Saturday probably looking like the nicest day, the day with the most sunshine. And then Sunday, we're going to have to watch Sunday closely because once again, another cold front is in the forecast. This far out, the timing can change. If we had to pick the best time that we think that cold front's going to come in right now, we think late Sunday afternoon, so we would hit 81 and then see temperatures drop in the late afternoon and early evening hours, and it could be a cool start to next week as well. We could see kind of a repeat where warm for the weekend, but starting out pretty cool next week as well. So temperatures not really wanting to get back to normal or above normal.